We've got another glorious fall feeling morning here. Guess I got into the upper 50s last night, so it's feeling really nice out here right now. I think I'm doing a little better this morning. I know y'all be glad to hear me say that. Well, I'm only gonna say it if it's true, right? The infected spot on my leg, if you watched yesterday's video, where cellulitis developed from the yellow jacket sting, looks a little less angry after one antibiotic last night, and I've just taken this morning's antibiotic as twice a day. And some of the other areas that are swollen, although they're still itchy, they are, the swelling definitely went down some overnight. And I took Benadryl right as I was going to bed, and I slept. I feel like I slept really good. So I think things are headed in the right direction, I guess is what I want to say. And all the kitties are here and doing well. That always is a relief. Every morning, count heads, everybody doing good. And I did decide not to go out and do my shopping day today, and to take it easy, stay close to home, make sure I'm doing okay on the antibiotic, not stress myself with trying to walk and get in the car in 5 minutes and leave, you know, try to have a little slower day. We are going to go do our walk, but I'm not going to go out and do the shopping thing today. I told Dawn I might go up to Guardian Angel Fuquay and just walk around and visit with my friends for a few minutes. Kind of been a tough week. I'll go talk to the ladies, my friends over there. Hey, Panther. Good morning, buddy. How's my good boy doing this morning? As I walked the perimeter this morning, I realized that there was a vine up in that tree. It's the vine I've been pulling a lot in the yard. It likes to get into that bush and into my Carolina allspice. This is Althea. No, this is, excuse me, Weigelia. I'm considering that should be cut back pretty low and allowed to do its thing again. There's a lot of dead wood in it. Anyway, I went and got the pruning snips and I got the vine out of the bush because we all know I need to be in the woods this morning. Yeah, well, I know those bugs can be anywhere, but really what got me into trouble was going into uncharted, filtered parts of the yard. Not, you know, places I am all the time anyway. So, no harm, no foul this morning. I guess I'm just feeling a little too good for my own good, maybe. Something like that. Good morning, Princess. It's a nice clean bowl you have there. Hi. Here you go. Well, coming out of the neighborhood this morning, we've got a flagman ahead, and we're thinking they're possibly down here working on moving the lines. Well, since they came and laid the poles in that property, they had to be getting close, right?
Well, they may not be moving yet, but I think that means they're going to be here soon.
Yeah, I guess we'll find out.
Because I would expect it to
I would have already seen stuff. Like, whoa, that's nice. Flagman ahead, but where?
Yeah, that's...
Okay, well there they are.
So
they're here. They're just not in full swing yet.
Yeah, that's what's going on here.
Hey, wait a minute. What are all these people doing in our park? I'm just kidding. Don and I wonder why they didn't put more parking on the other side. Like, make the loop symmetrical with parking. It could use 15 more spaces, would make a lot of difference over here.
Yeah, this thing does get full.
It does. Just not usually some of the times Don and I are here. It's nice and quiet out here on the trail right now. I am supposed to be careful on this antibiotic about being in sunshine and having extra reaction sensitivity to it, but I'm fairly tanned and not out in the sun that much. We won't go like picking up trash over by the basketball court or anything. The track has a good bit of shade, so I'm not too worried about it. I've taken those photosensitive antibiotics before, doxycycline and This is a sulfur. I'm not familiar with it. Anyway, I haven't had. I'll heed to be careful, but not err on the side of caution. I think a few minutes in the sun here and there will be okay. They must be playing ball tonight. Don's on an 11 o'clock conference call. I'm glad he's able to take most of these on our walk. This is our second time around. The Benadryl made me feel a little foggy this morning, but I sure did sleep good. But I think the coffee and the exercise are starting to kick in. Well, they still look like they're waiting on something. Guess they're not going to work there today. You're a good editing helper, Gray. Mom's done for now. I'm headed to town. Would you believe it if I told you I needed more hydrocortisone cream? Mostly I'm just going to walk around Guardian Angel for a few minutes. I love backing out of the garage. I'm so lucky Donnie normally does it for me. Wow, my car is so nice and clean. Yes, I still have the old DD Pi dash cam running as a backup to Ruby's dash cam. Well, it collects sound. That could be important. I'm just checking to see if the guys are doing anything since we came by earlier. And they're still parked over there and don't appear to have started doing anything. Well, I hate it for them. I'm sure they're not happy sitting there waiting for whatever it is they're waiting for. I got stuff to do. I'm sure they'd like to get on it. The outside of the church is really coming along. Yes, Tesla Model X fits witches and werewolves just fine. Yeah, things kind of went down fast in Guardian Angel today with some buggies to look in real quick for Halloween stuff, of which I got several things for Michelle, and then the witch showing up out on the floor and my phone being dead and trying to decide if I should get the witch for Michelle or not. I decided yes. Since she's taking up pretty much the whole back of Ruby, I'm driving to Michelle's house to drop it off. It's a pretty afternoon for a drive, and Ruby's looking so pretty today. I just want to be out driving for a minute anyway. Serious, just look at that sky this afternoon. Ruby says it's 81. It feels pleasant because the humidity is lower. We're coming up on the brand new park that's going in here on the left. Creek Bluffs or Beechwood Bluffs, because there's a lot of beech trees, but they're putting the park in there. And the next left turn up here is my old neighborhood. It's so funny, Michelle and I didn't know each other very long, and I basically moved to the other side of town right when we became good friends, and she used to be just down the road. Hollow Estates here on the left. I lived pretty far back in the neighborhood. When I moved in out here, we did not have a stoplight here, although I have to say that the stoplight has been a good thing, because there were several big wrecks due to the crest in the road there. People coming out of the neighborhood trying to make a left turn. Oh, don't I wish I could stop into Porter's for a milkshake. Got all their pumpkins and stuff out too. So Michelle got her first oil change in her Rogue today, and it's complimentary with her warranty. I guess maybe they purchased a warranty, so she has to get it done at this dealer. And her appointment was for 10:30, and she didn't get home until 2. They kept her waiting that entire time just to change her oil. So I'm only saying that because I hear, you know, some people say bad stuff about Tesla service sometimes, and then I hear other people saying it's not just Tesla, and it's really just service is difficult. Nice solar panels. Those are new. I don't remember them. Michelle's been working on her yard. Spooky stuff. You know which mailbox is hers. That's great.
My new purse.
So we still get to go shopping Thursday even though I shopped for you today?
I have to show off my new purse.
Okay, great.
Reagan hanging up over by the mailbox.
Yeah, I saw. So Connor and Michelle were out here Sunday around the time I got bit. Got stung, and they were starting to put up their Halloween stuff. So that's Reagan out at the mailbox. You can see her all the way down the street.
Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed.
Why? Was that Connor's idea to put her out there?
Because he knew it would make me cringe.
Aww. All right, well, we're looking forward to the rest of the setup.
Yep.
It's solar powered, and she got me one. Oh, how sweet. This is Spectre. Hi, bud. Spectre.
And our neighbor calls him Midnight. So put it together, Midnight Spectre. That's an awesome name.
Hi.
Come on, hello. Come on.
I know, I'm acting too interested.
Well, you've been rolling around in the dirt.
Turn signal, stop sign, stopping, looking. Why are you taking me left? Oh. Home is this way. It would help if I put the address in. I was just curious how she was going to do on the neighborhood street. I took stuff over to Michelle's today. She had several things for me. One of them was this awesome black cat Halloween themed canvas tote bag. I love it. I mean, I love it. And the other item, well, there were several other little things, but the other item that stands out is this solar powered cat, it's kind of like a marquee sign. And obviously it's not going to light up tonight because it hasn't had light. It was flipped down, but maybe tomorrow night we can see it. Also, I'll have to check if the button's in the right direction. Those solar powered things are really bad. They toggle on or off, and sometimes you have to play with the button because it doesn't say on or off. Hey, buddy. Hi. I patted everybody's head. Marty and Stripe were in the house a little while ago and got some good victuals. Love you.
So I forgot to take a picture, but the remote has messed up again. But this time I've decided to unsolder the wires from the circuit board, and I've cleaned them up. Marianne priced the new control, and it's $150, so we're definitely going to try to repair this one more time. Well, it seems to work, but as you can tell, Houston, we're getting a problem here. I've only got that much slack before it hits this coiled part. You can see how long Marianne's side is because I've had to whack it and splice it, whack it. This is the third time. So hopefully this will do. I'm going to try to baby it a little bit, but I'm obviously hard on recliners. Duh.
This is what's for dinner tonight. Tomahawk pork chops. And I made the standard egg, broccoli, cheese, sausage, onion casserole.